Hey everyone, today we're working on LeetCode challenge number 1913, maximum product difference between two pairs. So in this challenge, they tell us the product difference between two pairs, A, B, and C, D is defined as A times B minus C times D. For example, the product difference between 5 and 6 and 2 and 7 is 5 times 6, which gives us 30, minus 2 times 7, which is 14, which would give us 16. So our challenge here is given an integer array nums, choose four distinct indices w, x, y, and z, such that the product difference between pairs nums at w, nums at x, and nums at y, nums at z is maximized. Return the maximum such product difference. And look at least the first example here. Our array is 5, 6, 2, 7, 4. The output is 34. And the explanation is choosing the values at index 1 and 3 for the first pair, so that's 6 and 7 right here. And then for the second pair, the values at index 2 and 4, which are the numbers 2 and 4. And you can see the plugged into the math right there. 6 times 7 minus 2 times 4 gives you 34. So sometimes with these LeetCode challenges, what we want to think about before you really dive into the coding is the way that they ask the question sometimes can be a bit confusing, but really all we're looking for are the two largest values in the array multiplied together, subtracted by the two smallest values in the array. So this looks kind of simple, or this looks kind of difficult when you're looking at all these the way that they describe all of this, but when you think about it this way, it's really just finding the two largest values and the two smallest values, multiply them together and subtract. So to do that, we'll start by sorting the array. So we'll do nums.sort a comma b, a minus b. So that's going to sort that from smallest to largest. And then we'll return nums at the index of nums.length minus 1 times nums at the index of nums.length minus 2. And then we're going to take that value and subtract it by nums at 0 times nums at 1. So that's basically sorting the array, putting it in order from smallest value to largest. Then we're taking the last two values in the array, multiply them together, and subtract them from the product of the first two values in the array. So assuming I've typed this all correctly and there's no errors, if we submit, yep, there we go. So there you have LeetCode number 1913.